Hello everyone, if you're trying to install Fortnite and you keep getting this error, install failed with error code II-E1003, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you close up Epic Games Launcher fully. So just come here, right click on Epic Games Launcher, click exit then. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data. You're going to go into local, and here you need to find the folder called Epic Games Launcher. So just click on any folder, press E on your keyboard. Here it is, Epic Games Launcher. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open it up. You're going to go into saved. You're going to delete any folder with the name web cache. So I only have one folder. You can have 2 to 3 folders here with the name web cache. So just delete all of those folders with the name containing web cache. Click delete on here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to open up Epic Games Launcher and try to install Fortnite, you'll see that it will install correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.